see the gray sweater? Let it out here.
Kai sweater?
Yeah.
I might have put it with the lamp.
Did you wash it? I already washed it for him. Can you pick?
Should I do shopping on my way back? I'll have time after my class.
That would be great. We're running late.
Okay. Text me a list later.
Yeah, well. Hi. That's enough screen time for you. I heard the preschool start will end next week.
Finally. According to the story in the Bible, the Tower of Babel was the first building to cut human beings off from nature, challenging the power of God. God responded to this challenge by separating our languages and dividing humans. They couldn't understand each other, so they couldn't work together. The tower's construction was stopped and it collapsed. The Tower of Babel was the birth of architecture and also first ruins. In this sense, ruins could actually be thought of as acts of God. This Japanese word means the remains of total breakdown, which brings to mind a static image of death. However, the English word ruin comes from the Latin verb ruere and carries the dynamic image of collapsing. So it is clearly linked to life.
Hello, this is Jane. Thanks for your trouble. Yes, that's right. She's worried about this. Let's see. No. That's fine. Please put her on. Thank you. 妈，刚才我们说的你有听到吗？中介可能搞错了。他说让中介再帮忙找。
Hurry up! Come on, let's go! Come on, hurry up! Hurry the fuck up! Yeah. Grab it! Grab it! Go!
Okay, fine. Wait.
姐 How's Kai? Is he hurt?
He's okay. He's playing with Mom in the back.
Good. Is your father here too?
Come.
They must be shocked. The police are here already.
This is the second time. It's crazy. Can you open the bag?
Yeah. What's that?
Mom gave it to me. They had it for the gun in the store.
Is it a real gun?
Yes, my father bought it at the black market. Let me put it here for now.
Wait, Jen. This a good idea?
I don't want to have it at home.
辛苦啦，辛苦啦。
泣けた、泣けた。Gonna get him into his pajamas.
No, I do it. Go ahead and shower.
Are you sure? I do have some work to do.
Oh, are we set for tomorrow? I have to leave afternoon. What?
It's nothing. Thank you. It's you. No. It's you.
ニューヨークで暮らす幸せな家族。それは 息子の失踪から始まった。
I should never come here.
ディア・ストレンジャー。